to the truck on 13 Leonard Street for the fire alarm. You can see it keeps going off, but she doesn't see any sign of smoke or fire.
Engine 3 silent.
Yes, go ahead.
3's on the air, 13 Leonard.
3's on the air to 13 Leonard at 1413.